everyone, today we are doing this look. It's a Halloween makeup for a fortune teller or for a gypsy. And I'm sorry for talking so strange, but I'm a little bit afraid of these goats that are currently looking at me strangely. And I'm also filming outside and it's a little bit cold, so let's jump in. Woohoo! Spooky season is almost here. So to start off, I will apply a face cream as usual. I don't really use primers, so I just use a face cream. I just feel like primers are almost regular face creams and I usually don't buy things that I know I won't use. So after that, I will start filling my brows a little bit and I will add some brow soap to make them bushy as heck. I just love bushy brows and you know that. After filling them in, I will clean them a little bit with some foundation and apply some powder to set my eyes. Now for the eyeshadow, I think I will go with some black and then make a hollow eye. Working with black is amazing, but can be messy if you aren't careful. So keep in mind when you work with powdery eyeshadows, do your foundation after, otherwise you will end up with some black on your face or what. I don't know what color you will use, but you will end up with that color on your face and you don't want that, girl. So I start doing that halo eye effect with that black shade, and after blending it for ages, I will put some glitter, pressed glitter. Do not forget, I don't use powdery glitters, never. So basically here I was already freezing like hell. So basically here we are done with the eyeshadow after doing a bit of the under eye area too. Now I will put a little bit of mascara and setting my falsies on. If you were wondering why every makeup of mine includes falsies, is because I feel like they transform every look into something catchy and I can't do a makeup without my lashes. I just can't. After that, I will start with my foundation and setting it into place. Funny story time. Once I was in town clubbing with my boyfriend and we started fighting there, and basically after I cried in the bathroom waiting for him to come and apologize, my foundation was ripping. I literally had tear shapes on my face and also my eyes got really red. But the moral of this story is that you should not forget to set your foundation and under eyes because we are humans, we cry, and I don't think you want that moment to happen when you are happy. And I mean, you are not happy because you are fighting, but you don't want your makeup to be ruined by this. So keep that in mind if you don't want dripping foundation on your face. So after we set the face, I did a little bit of contouring and some highlighter and a little bit of blush, but not really too much because it was green, and I don't know, I don't like green with red and pink, but that was an exception here because I couldn't do nude lips, so yeah. So basically the moments are today basically with the goats, because they were so, I don't know, they were acting like stars, and they were talking there like, I don't know, I don't think they liked me. I needed that ambient in my video because goats are I don't know, are associated with dark things, so I needed them in my ambient. Obviously today I can't go with nude lips, so I make the red. It hurts my ego a little bit, but what can we do? Anyway, we are done with this makeup look, and I'm surprised to say that I kinda love red lips now. So that's it for today's video. The goat, I don't know what it's doing, but it's okay. Strange. So if you like this video, please press that like button and subscribe, and also share it. They are so strange, I can't deal with them anymore. Just look at her. So I'll see you in my next video.